Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of Alpha Bridge Technologies Private Limited. This is Mukesh. In this session, we will discuss about ONT configuration, the configuration which need to be done in the ONU interface. In previous videos, we covered how to create profiles in OLT, register ONTs and demonstrated both automatic and manual ONU registrations including the multi-vendor ONUs. Check the videos for profile creation and ONT registration. Today we will focus on the configuration of ONT. Here I am using a new ONU. As we already configured auto registration in our OLT, the new ONU can be registered automatically once it is connected with the splitter. First, let's register this new ONU. Open PuTTY. Here I am using the console cable. So my COM port is 9 and the speed is 115200. Enter the credentials, admin and go to the configuration mode. Enter this command for checking of any registered ONUs before. There are no ONUs registered right now. So connect the new ONU with the splitter. Enter this command for checking the current configuration of the OLT. Here you can see the profile and the auto configuration commands. I have connected the new ONU. Wait for some time until it gets registered. Enter this command for checking whether the ONT is registered or not. See, the ONU is already registered and its profile is created. Now enter this command for checking the status of the ONU. It is in the active state and online state. Connect the ONU with Ethernet cable and make the setup as shown here. The default IP address of the ONT is 192.168.1.1. So assign the IP address for the PC in the same subnet range of ONT IP address. Open the control panel and assign the IP address. Open any browser. I am using Chrome here. Enter the default IP address of the ONU. This is the login page of the ONU. The username and password are admin. And enter the validate code. This is the login interface of the ONU. Here you can see the details like GPON serial number, MAC address. Here you can also see the register information. Authentication is success with the OLT, which means ONT is registered perfectly with the OLT. Now go to the network tab. This is the configuration page. Here we need to add the WAN interface. Select the encapsulation mode as IPoE mode. We are going to use the Internet Protocol over Ethernet. And select the service type as Internet. We are going to deliver the Internet here. Select the IP protocol also. You can select the IPv4 or IPv6. Here tag the VLAN with the 200 ID. In IPv4 obtaining mode, select the DHCP. We are going to use the DHCP mode. Enable the NAT and bind all the LAN ports and SSID ports. Click on Apply. Now the WAN interface is created using the IPoE mode. Go to the LAN tab Here I am using the dual band ONU. That's why you can see WLAN 5 GHz and WLAN 2.4 GHz. Now click on the WLAN 5 GHz. Here you can configure the parameters like Wi-Fi SSID and password. Select the 802.11 mode and keep the mixed mode of AC, that means Wi-Fi 5. And you can also change the Wi-Fi SSID name and also the password. I am keeping the default password and default SSID name. Click on apply and the configuration will be set. Now click on the WLAN 2.4 GHz and select the 802.11 mode. I am not changing the default SSID and password. Now click on apply. Now check the status of the internet. Go to the status and go to the WAN information. Here you can see the status as connected and IP address obtained via DHCP mode. Now let's check the internet connection via Wi-Fi. Open the Wi-Fi. The name of the SSID is GCDDY5C and GCDDY5. These two are the networks. Connect to the GCDDY5G. Actually I have connected before also, that's why it is not asking the password for me. If a new user tries to connect, it will ask the Wi-Fi password. Now let's check the internet speed. Run the speed test. You can see the upload and download speed. Now let's check the internet via LAN port. Disconnect the Wi-Fi. For that, open the control panel and change the settings to the automatic mode. You can see that previously no internet connectivity. Now you will get a symbol of internet connection. You can also check the IP address which you have obtained from the ONU. This is the IP address you have obtained from this gateway. Now let's do the speed test. Using LAN also you are getting good amount of upload and download speed. This is about the ONT configuration. Thank you for watching.